Do you ever get tired of switching between your laptop, your tablet, or your computer throughout the day? There's so much clutter on my desk because whenever you have multiple devices, it can get a little frustrating. That's why when Brian asked me to review this wireless multi device keyboard, I said yes because I think this is going to make my work better and faster. The first thing I notice is how easy it is to connect. You can pair it up with three different devices, two via Bluetooth and one via the USB dongle that they send you. So instead of reconnecting every time you switch devices, all you need to do is simply press a button and you're instantly typing on the next one. The next feature that I really like is the full size keyboard. You get a complete keyboard with a numeric keypad, which is great if you're working with spreadsheets, Excel, or entering numbers for your business, or just prefer having a full keyboard instead of a compact one. Now, let's talk about the typing experience. It is just quiet. They're very responsive. There's no lag and they have a comfortable feel without making a lot of noise. So if you work from home, study in a shared space, or spend hours typing emails and documents, you'll appreciate how smooth and comfortable the keyboard feels. I also love the flexibility. So whether I'm working on my desktop or replying emails on my laptop or taking calls on my tablet, I can use the same keyboard for everything. It really simplifies my setup and the build itself, it just feels sturdy despite being very lightweight. You could adjust the height at the back here to different levels according to the level of your comfort. I think this one is definitely worth checking out. It's a practical upgrade whether you're working from home or you're studying or you just want a more convenient desk setup at work.